What's going on, everyone? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to do a retro text effect. You've probably seen this in some retro arts come up recently, or some album art, some other stuff like that. It's a really simple way to do some fading in text, but it looks really cool, and we're going to learn how to do that today. So let's get started. So let's just get rid of the example here. Delete. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab our text tool. This is Photoshop, by the way. And we're just going to let's type I am a creative again. I think it's a little off, so I'm just going to bring that back down here. So now we have our text. So now what we're going to do is we are going to take our selection tool and we're just going to select a part of it. And what we do is we go layer via copy. Oops, sorry. So first we're going to rasterize the type, and then we're going to go layer via copy, and that lets us copy a portion of it. So now you'll see it comes up. So now all we're going to do is we're going to take the selection tool, and then we're just going to cut a smaller piece out of the same thing we just did, and then layer via copy, and then you could see it goes up even more. And so just to make the effect cooler and to be more symmetrical, we're going to do, let me just reselect that, we're going to do the bottom. So layer via copy, oops, wrong. Make sure you're selecting your text layer, because it won't work otherwise, because everything else is everything else will be empty. So go layer via copy, and then let's move it down. If you have smart guides on, it'll automatically snap there, so you'll be lined up, which is much better. And just re-drag your layers so you don't get confused, or rename them, even better. So again, do the same thing, cut it out, layer via copy. And then cool. So obviously it looks okay right now, but our middle text, the full one, is not sticking out. So we really want to show that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go from our base layer, and we're gonna go. Let's just lower the opacity to 87, sure. And then let's go up. We're gonna lower this one even more, so it looks like it's fading out. And then these are the two bottom layers. We're gonna go lower this. Let's do about the same, just to keep it more symmetrical. Just about, you know. And then let's take this. This is the lowest one. Lower it even more, just so we're looking like we're fading out. And if you see it here, we create our text effect. So just to change the color if you want to, the way I would do it right now, just to make it a little bit simpler, a little bit easier, so you're not kind of going through different modifications to do it, I would select it. So let's go magic wand tool. Let's just select each. Oops, select your main layer just in case, or whatever layer you're trying to edit, and just hold shift and select each letter, and this will basically let you paint or gradient whatever you want inside it. So for example, we can do a gradient, boom, we have our, let's just unselect it, you have a cool gradient inside. It works really well. Or let's just take that out, Control Z if you want to undo it, and you can just paint it in. So I'll just put let's say red, so you can see the contrast. And now I'm just gonna make this bigger, so you can just color that in, and boom, you have a whole new color. So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please comment down below and let me know what I can do next. And if you liked it, then please hit the like button and subscribe so you can be along for the journey. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.